first frost. Frost up both of these. Looks like we got one frosting up down here too. Man, is it cold out here? Yep. Oh, that's cold. Onyx is frozen. Man, the good one's frozen. And that brand new carrier is really frozen. Good gosh, look at that. That airflow is definitely restricted. We'll set up for a full of this one. This one shut off. Slightly frosty. This one shut off too. Couple of in the jungle. That one's buzzing again, I can hear it. I think this carrier's running. Nope, shut off. I can hear the pain in there, and it sounds like it is frozen too. I can hear some fan noise. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's frozen. I hear a screaming condenser fan motor. And this place to be a blower motor. This one I caught defrosting last year in 51-degree weather. It's been defrosting too. Oh, this one's been defrosting too. That train in there's running. That's pretty frozen, from what I can tell. The brand new one's been running frozen. Holy crap. Alright, I'm up that small. Good gosh. Just turned on. That's freezing. Let's see. It's the ice cube. This one's got a bad board. That's not normal. Mini split's running. Slightly frosty. My hands are numb. This. So we got a few that are extremely frozen. There's that one running a heat mat, that one shut off. This one's all screwed up. It's only 4 years old. That one just started up and looks like the teardrop's starting to freeze. That's definitely something I want to catch. Both these panes. This will turn back on. Not frozen. Now I gotta check out that new carrier, see if it's still all iced up. This one sounds like a jet engine. It's running. It's still all frozen up. This Onyx is shaking. Numb. Goodman shut off. Lennox shut off. Second, I thought I missed a defrost again for the third time on that one. electronics has definitely been running. It was hissing when I got here. That train's making some weird noises. So Mr. Carrier's starting to ice a little bit too. I will catch this one, I promise. Oh. I'm not tripping, I just heard a reversing valve, I don't know where. No, where? Is it, maybe is this one shutting off? I don't know. This is a lot quieter than it was at the start of my channel, but it's having a seizure. Oh geez, son, and rough. Big boy. Good one coming. The train must have defrosted. Damn it, defrosted. Because it wasn't messed up. This one. Merrick kicked on. It's got that squeal to it that it usually does. And that one's really messed up. Just shut off. And this one's like super frozen. This newer paint is running. Starting to frost just a little bit. See right there. Climbing tough. That one just started up.